Alright, how you doing? Welcome back, lawn amateurs. I'm shooting another video here. This is a 72-hour update of when I sprayed the Weed Stop for Lawns. And I just wanted to show you how everything is coming along. As you can see, you see all the brown patches there. That's the nutsedge and the grass dying. Not the grass, just the nutsedge. Nutsedge and crabgrass. As you can see, the lawn is actually it's not harmed at all. So the stuff doesn't harm your lawn, but it kills and attacks the weeds. So as you can see, it's not a bad product. And also, as you can see, my lawn is actually overgrown. It needs to be cut. It's about 6 or 7 inches long here. But as you can see here, look at the let's get a close-up on this nutsedge. Look at it. It's like drying out. Look at it. Could barely stand up. It was standing up strong a few days ago. But once I put that Weed Stop for Lawn on it, it started drying it out and killing it. So this is an update. This is side number 2. Side number 2 wasn't that bad with the weeds, actually. It was side number 1 that got hit the hardest. So let's check out side number 1. Look at that. That's all. That was a crabgrass patch right here. Nutsedge all in there. More crabgrass right there. But as you can see, this 3 days in and everything is dead. So, well, pretty much dead. So the product works fast. So you can't complain about it. And as you can see over here, the grass is thick too. So I just want to get a cut on it, but I want to wait till it dry out. So, and at that, as soon as I start cutting it, I'm just going to cut maybe a third off every time until I get it to the proper height that I want to get it at. I'm actually probably going to cut it, maybe I want to get it to about 3.5 inches, maybe 4 inches. We'll see how that works out. And as you can see, the grass by the back fence over there is filling in. So due to all that the rain I'm having, I don't have to water anything, so that's also a plus. But if you're ever curious about the Weed Stop for Lawn product, it's a great product. I definitely approve of it, and this is my first time using it. So as you can see, look at it. And look at the grass over here. It's not really harmed. And grass over here. So everything that's in there that's actually brown was weeds. This was another big patch of like crabgrass and stuff in there. So it actually just sucked the life right out of the crabgrass. Look at that. Down to the root. That's not a bad product. Especially for a product that you can actually go in the store and buy right off the shelf at like a Walmart, a Lowe's, or a Home Depot. So it's not a bad product. You know, people don't really expect results like this from a product off out of a big box store. You know, and the crabgrass and nutsedge was pretty much it was in a mature stage. So the product actually did well for, due to the circumstances it was under. And this was only after one spray. There's some spots I did miss. There's still some nutsedge in here a little bit that I missed, but that was just due to me spraying. I actually missed the spots. I didn't use any marker blue on it or anything like that, so those are spots that I actually missed. But I'm overall satisfied with the product. It's not a bad product. You know, bad company and business practice, but the product actually works. So that's why we're using it. We want to you don't want to use too much of it, but you use enough just to do what we got to do. So, but as you can see, just take another look at all the little dead spots in there. So I'm figuring after I mow it down, the stuff should pretty much disappear. So, and then I'll probably go over another spot spray maybe in another week or so. and then I'll actually start feeding this lawn with some Milorganite. So get everything back up green, and and get these spots here, get the grass that's tangled in between these weeds, get them to start so they can breathe and feed on some of that Milorganite also. So if you're ever curious about the product, it's definitely a great product to use. I'll show you once again. This is the product right here. I got this product. I got it actually at Walmart. It was on sale because they're clearancing down a lot of their items. So if you're curious, I will stop by a local Walmart and see what they have to offer. I got this bottle here. This is a refill bottle, so you don't need to no need to mix anything. It's already pre-mixed and ready to spray. So you just add this into like a canister, one of your spray pumps, and you just go from there, and you can spray as much as you need. I think this is a gallon. Yeah, there you go. So you can't beat it. I got this for about $4.50. So I'm satisfied with the product. So stay tuned for I got that lawnmower that I bought. I got that review coming up. Then also we're gonna cut the lawn. I got that coming up soon too. Once this lawn dry out, I'll show a video of how the lawnmower cut. So we'll go over all of that in the future. Bear with me now, so stay tuned. I appreciate you. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back with another video. How's this piece? Look at that. See if it could focus in on it. Could barely focus in on it, but look at that. These things grow real quick. Quick, ugly. Rip this one right out the ground. That's how soft the soil is because all of the rain. I don't know if it wants to focus. It doesn't want to focus, but just rip this right out the ground. It's another one right here too. See it? Rip this one. Ah, crap. I didn't get that whole thing out. That's terrible. It's down in there somewhere. So that'll be back. That'll grow right back. When you ripping them out, you want to get them down to the root like I did this first one here. Got that one right out the root, so that's good. This one, not so good. I didn't get that at all, so that spot is going to be another more nutsedge gonna come out of there. So but look how these things grow, and they overtower your grass. Look at that. It's an eyesore. It's terrible. You don't want to look at that. And these are from the spots I actually missed, so I just thought I'd show you that, how to rip them out, but I messed up on the second one, got the first one. But so far so good. We'll keep working at it until we get this yard to about at least 90% weed free. I missed the spot here. It's more crab. That's crabgrass in there. We'll get that on the next go around. See, it's tangled up with my good grass, so definitely be able to look at that. And see, having this in the grass here tangled up, the grass won't be able to feed properly because these weeds will suck all the moisture. It'll suck up all the moisture in whatever fertilizer you put down. That's why I didn't want to really put fertilizer down yet, because I didn't want to feed these crabgrass. You don't want to feed that. The weeds will suck all that nutrients and everything out of the soil and leave the grass there to die by itself, because the grass won't be able to feed properly. So I'll get I missed this whole area right here, but we'll get that on the next go around, the second spray. This is after first spray, so can't complain about it. But take care.